Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix schedule message not working on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Android phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before proceeding. Step 2. Next, locate the message icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open your direct messages. Step 3. Now, select the person you want to send a scheduled message to. Once you have chosen the recipient, proceed to the next step. Step 4. Type the message you want to send. Once you've written the message, tap and hold the send icon, which looks like a small paper airplane. Step 5. Now set the schedule for when you want the message to be sent and confirm by tapping the send button. And that's it. Your message is now scheduled. Step 6. What if the scheduling option is missing? Don't worry. Here's what you need to do. Go back to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Step 7. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram and check if there's an update available. If an update is available, make sure to update to the latest version. Step 8. If updating didn't fix the issue, go back to the home screen. Tap and hold the Instagram icon until a menu appears, then select the App Info option. Step 9. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Here, you will see the options to clear cache and clear data. Tap on both options to clear them. After completing these steps, your scheduled message feature should be working properly again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.